Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. I'm your English teacher. In today's lecture, I'm going to teach you about connectors. What are connectors and when we use them? So, basically, connectors are the words which combine two words, phrases and sentences together. What are connectors? Connectors are the words which combine two words, phrases or sentences together. So, we will learn about only three connectors: and, but and or. So, we will learn that when we use and, when we use but and when we use or. These are the connectors, and we will find out that how we will use these connectors in a sentence to combine a sentence. The first connector is and. The word and is used when there is relation between words or sentences. When we use and when there is relation between two words or in between two sentences. For example, Sarah played well. Second sentence is Ali played well. So you can see these two sentences have a relation, so we will put and. Sarah and Ali both played well. Sarah and Ali both played well. So the next one is but. The word but is used when there is relation between words, phrases or sentences. Contrast with one another. Sentences joined using but have different or opposite meanings. So it means that we use but in those sentences to combine those sentences which have relation in contrast relation. Okay. And sometimes we use but when the two sentences have different and opposite meanings. Now look at the example. He is rich. He is not happy. So, he is rich but not happy. As you can see, there is a contrast relation between these two sentences. So, that's why we have put but. He is rich but not happy. Next is or. The word or is used in a sentence to show a choice between two or more things. When we use or when we have a choice between two or more things. For example, Sarah may be in the house. Second sentence is Sarah may be in the garden. Here we have a choice between house and the garden. So we will use or. Sarah may be in the house or in the garden. Understand? So I think it's clear to you, and this is enough for today. Thank you so much my dear students. Allah Hafiz.